In some situations, you may need to create custom exceptions. For example, we have a student class with fields name and house, and the two objects of this class, Harry, with name Harry Potter, and Hogwarts house as Gryffindor, and Crab, student with name Vincent Crab, with Hogwarts house Slytherin. And let's create a Gryffindor common room inter method. Inter to Gryffindor common room for student which will print a message that the student from Gryffindor has entered his common room. So let's call this method enter for object Harry. Run our program. And we can see that Harry Potter has entered to room, to Gryffindor room. Let's run it again. The Harry Potter has entered to Gryffindor room. That's right. It's okay. So if we invoke this method with the crab, we can get the next result. The Vincent Crab has entered to Gryffindor room. But that's wrong. Big Lady should only let Gryffindor students through. So we can get the next logic. Firstly, let's create our custom exception. New Kotlin class, and we must to give it name. Access to the Gryffindor common room exception. And we must to extend from throwable. Which need some message. Message with the description of the mistake, and this message sent here. And that's all to create a custom exception. And now we can throw this exception. Add additional student house check. If student.house Hogwarts house equal Gryffindor, then this print line. But else, it may be not only Slytherin, it may be Ravenclaw or Hufflepuff. Then we needed to throw our exception. Access to the Gryffindor common room exception. With the next method description. The student, his name, student.name, from Hogwarts house, his house, try to get into the Gryffindor common room. So let's run our program with Harry. we can get this line. The Harry Potter has entered the Gryffindor room. Okay. And let's the student from Slytherin to enter to Gryffindor common room. And we can get an exception. Access the Gryffindor exception, and we can read this description. The student Vincent Crabbe from House Slytherin tried to get into the Gryffindor common room. So now the task is for you. Catch this exception. The possible solution. Try. Wrap this method in try and catch. Yeah, this type of exception. So let's run our program again. And now the program doesn't crash. Good job! See you in the next lesson.